It's very much on you. And friends, you are all very lucky to be in such a beautiful, natural beauty. You are lucky to be to study in this wonderful institution. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರು. ವರುಣನ ಕೃಪೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಹಂತದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಆರಿಸಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವರುಣನ ಒಂದು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ, ವರ್ಷಧಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶುಭ ಆರಂಭದ ಸಂಕೇತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. God has really blessed all of you to start a new life, a new professional life. And I think you have a great future. And you are all very lucky. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂಥ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಈ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ಘಟ್ಟಗಳ ಒಂದು ತೆಪ್ಪಲಲ್ಲಿ, ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯ ನದಿಯ ತೀರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೇಗುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು 4 ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತರು. As a Vice Chancellor, I have also visited many countries, many institutions, but this institution is totally different. This management, Mr. Panjot Bhandari, is a different. He is unique in all his ways. Here is one management which is there for the cause of education, for the cause of society. And whatever he has created here, he has really created marvels here. Such a beautiful infrastructure, such a beautiful building, and whatever, he is a great visionary, I can say. And you are all lucky to have such a wonderful infrastructure, such a wonderful teachers. In fact, you are lucky to have a young and very dedicated faculty members. And now, after 4 years, you are going out of the portals of this great institution. You are the brand ambassador of this institution. As an alumni, you should bring lot of, not only the job, lot of reputation to this. You should spread the knowledge. You should spread the information about this institution. You should contribute back to this institution. And you should be you have already good students to good teachers. You should be good children to your parents. And you should be worthy citizens of this great country. You have a great future. May God bless you. All the best.
My hearty congratulations to all the graduates and the fresh alumni of Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of the graduation day. At the outset, I thank the Honorable Vice Chancellor to have accepted the invitation and delivered the graduation day address. Indeed, the students are honored by your sheer presence, and for the man of making VTO process online right from registration till the declaration of results, which is a unique university in India. A big applaud for the Honorable Vice Chancellor, please. May I now request our Chairman to present the token. Appreciation for Mr. Shashikiran Shetty, Chairman and Managing Director of All Cargo Global Logistics, Mumbai, for making his presence. You can imagine what one can achieve if one believes in himself and venture to entrepreneurship. We have a live example in front of us. I think it should boost the confidence of the young graduates. Thank you, sir, for your making a gracious presence. May I now request our Chairman, sir, to present a memento. Further, we are grateful to Rabindran, Director of Resource and Capacity Management, IBM Bangalore, and the sheer presence and your growth profile is itself an energy for all of us here. Thank you, sir. May now request our Chairman, sir, to present a memento. I also wish to express my gratitude to the President of the function, Sri Manjunath Bhandari, a treasure of real ideas. If you all could understand his vision, we can grow to any altitude. Sir, your professionalism in every minute details is a wonderful roadmap for all Sahyadrians. We are all inspired by you, sir. I'm also very grateful to the mentor of this Sahyadri group of institutions, Dr. D.L. Prabhakara. Your role model behavior is in itself an experience for all of us, sir. I may like to express sincere thanks to Secretary Prasanna Bhandari, trustees of the organization, founder members, whose unstinted support have all been driving us in every walk of our life. I thank every one of them. I would like to acknowledge our gratitude to the press, media, VTU, Executive Council members, other dignitaries of Bangalore, and the backbone of our chairman, sir, the friends and well-wishers of Sahyadri who are all in front of us. Sir, your presence is a great honor for all of us. Thank you.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय